Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today I'm sharing what I got in my May Boxycharm. If you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month subscription box that has 5 full-size items. And I'm so excited to share that this month is Boxycharm's birthday, so not only are we celebrating that and all the wonderful things that they've been doing, but they included not 5, but 6 items this month. So if you'd like to see how I created this look using what I got in this month's Boxycharm box, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, I see, and I'm so excited for, is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This retails for $38. Now, I love the Cover FX setting powder, so I'm really excited to try the blurring the blurring primer, and that's definitely like a kind of primer that I use the most often, is something to blur. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with that, and it's just like a normal blurring primer. It's this kind of flesh toned color. I'm gonna go ahead and get that into my, and it feels very smoothing. By the looks of it on my hand as I was like putting it in, it definitely blurs, that's for sure. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. I'm really excited to have this. I'm just gonna kind of put it on areas that I want blurred out. So that's for mostly like my nose, forehead, and chin area. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some other makeup and then come back to try out the rest of the product. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I'm back. I have put on foundation, concealer, and just a little bit of eyeshadow, and that is it. Actually, I probably want to set my face, right? Okay, so I'm setting my face just really quickly. I forgot. So the next thing, an exciting thing I'm really excited to try out in the box is by Pure Cosmetics. And oh, it's wrapped really well. I've not taken anything out yet, so I have no idea what this looks like. But I know it is a, gosh, I mean, this is packaged really well. Not only is it like wrapped in bubble wrap and then had a sleeve and then had plastic, it also is taped on the side, which makes it a little difficult to get in. There we go. We're in. Okay. Oh, it's a little fallouty. It smells good. Okay, so we have the 2 contouring colors and the 2 highlighting colors, so that is very exciting. So let's try that out. Let's see. I cannot find my favorite contouring brush. I don't know where it's at, but you know, we'll use what I have. So I'm just gonna take, whoa. That is some serious pigment, and this is the lighter of the 2 shades, so you want to make sure you use a light hand, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that, and yeah, blend that out. I'm gonna use what's left a little bit on my yeah, that is some serious contour. I'm gonna try a dual fiber brush to see if I can kind of, there we go, get that blended out a little bit more. There we go. So you definitely want to use a light hand when using this. If you have lighter skin than I do, I'm not exactly sure if this would be your best bet. Tab off and then really use that and blend it. And on camera, it's coming up like a lot more. Like when I look in the mirror, I don't really see it as much as I can see it like on camera, but it's definitely carving out that face, right? Okay, well, there we go. I just can't imagine anyone with a lighter skin using that, because I just use this. And let's see. That one's not good. So we have the light and the dark. They're definitely cool toned, and you can kind of see. This is the lighter one. This is the darker one. But you could always use, like if you are fair, I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and you want to use this, like you could easily use these as eyeshadows, you guys. Like I'm just throwing a little bit in the crease just to deepen up what I had in there, and I mean, it's not lost on you. Totally not lost on you. You can definitely use it still. So quickly, I'm gonna throw some, I'm using a Becca bronzer, some bronzer right on top of that to kind of blend it out a little bit more. And then, because that one was really pigmented, I'm gonna check out the highlighting shade. So I'm gonna do, oh, so pretty. So here's the highlighting shades. The lighter one, yeah, the lighter one's on top, the darker one's on the bottom, and they aren't super dark. Like they're really, really pretty. Again, you can use as a highlight, or you can totally use them as a, I'm gonna use the originator, which is the lighter one. Trailblazer is the darker one. So I'm gonna use the lighter one. And that is beautiful. That's some serious highlight. These are actually really, really nice. So I like to put highlighter on like I just did right now, and then use my blush to blend all of that together. I just kind of feel like I get a little bit more of a natural look that way, and I'm looking like sculpted and fierce, right? Okay, so I'm actually really liking that, and I can definitely see myself using that palette. Yeah, really, really nice. So the next thing that we have, and you know what, I should have used this, and this is a brush by Aesthetica, and it's called the P12. And sorry, I forgot to tell you that this Pure Cosmetic Sculpture palette retails for $30. And so this is the Aesthetica face brush, and it's a synthetic fiber for kind of seamless look. So I didn't use that, but I can use it to kind of, it's really soft. I think it'd be really good for bronzer. I could have just used it. My bad. I can use a little. Should I use bronzer here? Let's kind of warm up the face a little. So yeah, I can see it. It's definitely like, it's not stiff. And again, you don't always have to use the brush the way they're intended for. You could definitely use this to like set your under eyes, possibly if you wanted to use powder. I can definitely use it as bronzer. It's really nice. And then also Aesthetica has the 3-piece eye trio, which retails for $45. This retails for $27. Did I say that? I don't know. I'm really, it's kind of late at night, you guys. And this is gonna go well with the final product. Oh, not the final product. One of the products, which we'll talk about next, and that's the Pretty Vulgar, the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner. So first we have these 3 brushes. It's really nice that they give you these brushes, because you have this, they call it the, oh, there's no name on it, angled brush, which could be really good for placing eyeshadow underneath the eye. It's a little thick to do eyebrows. I don't know if you can kind of like see how thick that is, but it's not something I would use for filling in my eyebrows. But or you can use it for shadow to put on eyeliner. You get a spoolie, which is always just so handy to have. And if you don't need a spoolie for your eyebrows, or you use it, you can always use them for your eyelashes, combing those out or separating the mascara. And then the last one is this really thin, almost like stiff brush that is going to be great for eyeliner, especially because they put in the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. And how adorable is this packaging? It looks like one of the old ink like wells that you would use for writing with like those feathers. I'm sure there's a technical name. It has a little feather on it, like that's what it's supposed to look like. And it's just really, really cute packaging. It's in the color black. I don't even know the last time I wore ink liner. It's been a while, but it probably starts about around where this gold area is, and I'm sure it's like all the way down. So it's a lot of product. And let's see how this applies. I'm just putting my, ooh, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh yeah, that's really matte and so creamy. So I just kind of took it because I didn't know how much I was gonna apply on on the brush. But I'm gonna take this brush that was included and just do a quick eyeliner look. Okay, so that was a little easier than I thought it was gonna be. I have to say, if you're really wanting a precise wing, this might not be the best brush for you, because although it feels very stiff to begin with, once you start like putting it on, it's so long that it just tends to just like flop over. I don't know if you can tell. So doing a wing was not difficult, but I knew that with this brush that I couldn't get a really like sharp wing liner that I could get, let's say, with like a felt tip eyeliner. But I was able to create this kind of like soft baby wing, can you see that, in a really thin line. It was so easy to apply this gel liner. It was so creamy that I literally just glided on, and I really, really like it. And it's kind of making me think that I could do this gel liner more often. I love the packaging. It's gonna just look so pretty on your vanity. Yeah, although this, oh, did you guys hear that? Like, just putting it on, I was like, it's like that nails on a chalkboard sound. But you know, I can live with it if it's good and I like it. I do really like it. And the last thing is by Han Skincare, and it's a lip gloss. I got the color Nude Rose, and it retails for $15. It's a pretty nude color. Let's go ahead. And it's a gloss, so it smells like vanilla cupcakes, which I'm always down for. I mean, the smell and cupcakes, so. Okay, it's not like my favorite color. It's also not my favorite gloss formula. I feel like it's taking a little while to kind of build up the color. It's going on a little bit patchy, but hey, it's pretty. I like that it will go with this look, because quite frankly, I'm just going to eat some Halo Top and go into bed. But yeah, so overall, I think it was a really, really good box. I really enjoyed it. I think I'll get a lot of use out of the primer, and obsessed with that eyeliner. And I think this could be really good, a really good thing to travel with. So I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing what I got and seeing what I can create using the products in my box this month. Again, if you're interested in Boxycharm or want any more information, I'll leave the link down below. And if you have not done yet, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.